Good morning, you guys. It's Aaron and Tracy with Travel Bus.
Hi.
Today, guys, we are waking up on the Norwegian Breakaway
In St. Thomas.
Yes, we are in St. Thomas.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
Today's my birthday.
And today is Tracy's birthday.
And I wanted to be in St. Thomas for my birthday. And guess what? He made it happen. So, yay.
Yay. So, we have a beautiful view. I'm going to show you. So this is what we're waking up to and seeing right now. It's somewhat early.
Yeah, it's pretty early.
So
We
if you
got
don't
here
see,
at 7.
yeah, we got here at 7. It's like 8:30 right now, I believe.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's not too busy right yet.
No, we wanted to show you all this. We're going to head off to Magen's Bay. We haven't been there yet. We've been here a few times, but we have not done Magen's Bay.
So that's
That's
that's the little sky ride.
thing.
Little
Yeah,
sky ride thing. Yep, it goes way up there. Yep. Don't know if we'll get to that, but we'll see. Alright, so I think we're gonna head down there.
And we'll show you our fun day.
Alright, you guys, before we head down, I'm going to show you the other side of the ship, what that view is like, because it's beautiful. So I'm going to show it to you right now. So this is a view on the other side of the ship. Those of you who've been here before have probably seen this quite a few times. Very picturesque view here. Oh, and I'm going to show you. We're the only ship on this side of the island. And off in the distance, you can see an Oasis class ship over there. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's a big royal ship. These are the only two ships in St. Thomas right now. There might be more later, I don't know. But yeah, so we are going to head down and show you some more. Alright, guys, so me and Tracy just got here to Magen's Bay. We took a taxi ride. It was about, I don't know, about a half hour, I think. A little bit of traffic. Okay, I guess normally it takes like 20 minutes or whatever. But anyway, $8 a person for that taxi ride. And yeah, we'll probably be here probably a big portion of the day. Tracy wants to go shopping later, so if we do that, we'll show you that. But yeah, we're going to hang out here at Magen's Bay. And I'll show you around here. Sorry, so we came over from this direction, and this is the rental chairs and umbrellas, which we are not doing. It's like it's right around $25 for the umbrella, and I think it's additional for the chairs. Yeah, but the beach stretches pretty far. This is the beautiful Magen's Bay. Tracy's out there snorkeling. So yeah, like I said, it stretches pretty far. It's awesome that there's a Tracy's waving and her newfound friends. Looks like a yacht out in the distance. But, excuse me. Anyway, we're gonna go out in the water and hang out for just a bit, and I'll show you more in just a bit. All right, so we just finished up here at Magen's Bay, and what a great time that was. Love this beach. So now we're getting ready to do some shopping. So we'll take you that way and show you around there.
the good part. Let's see how good the brakes are. Look at that.
All right, so we just got back into port and we decided to get some food here. We stopped at this place called Rock City Brewing, I believe.
The tap and still.
Yeah, we're in another side. So the tap and still. I'll show it to you. It's a pretty small menu. But yeah, we were here last time, I believe.
It was packed,
Yeah, a lot more
there was a brewery over there that we went to, but unfortunately it closed. Because it was before COVID that we were here.
Yeah. They actually had a Rock City brewery that all it served was the
beer. And they were from Arizona. Weren't they from Scottsdale?
Yeah, the people that were running it were from Arizona. So we just got a little bit of food and we're just waiting on that. But yeah, great day at the beach. It was super fun.
It was awesome, and I have to tell you, the banana daiquiris were the bomb.
Yeah, Tracy had some banana daiquiris.
The water was clear and beautiful.
I just had some beers, and yeah, it was great. Just on an off note, it costs to get into Magens Bay. It's $5 a person. I forgot to mention that. So if you decide to go to Magens Bay, it's going to be $5 a person.
And it was $8 a person in the bus.
Yeah. So the taxi there was $8 a person. So,
and a taxi back was $8.
And so it's $8 there, $8 back. So. Yeah.
And there's taxis everywhere.
Yeah, they're like Tracy said, taxis are everywhere.
Yeah, it's easy.
Really easy to get places. So yeah, we're like I said, we're just here in the port, and after we eat, we're going to probably do some shopping. And Tracy wants to get some stuff for her birthday.
Yeah, stuff for the girls.
And for the girls. So we'll be showing that shortly. So our food order just came, and it's kind of funny the way they do things. It's kind of cool too. They bring it to you in a paper bag. And I'll show it to you here.
Oh, these are my fries.
So Tracy's pulled out her fries.
Fries, fresh fries.
Yeah, they are fresh cut fries.
And my burger.
Wow.
It's like a sack lunch.
It's my fries. All right. All right, so instead of showing you guys stuff in our mouths here, we're gonna finish eating, and then we'll let you know how it turns out. But it smells amazing. All right, so we are done with lunch, and it was really good. Yeah, they don't have a lot in there. They serve burgers and hot dogs, a couple sandwiches, wings. Just it's really simple. Not a whole lot in there. Tracy had a cheeseburger, and I had a hot dog. It's more like a hot dog sandwich is the way they put it. But still good. Highly recommend it if you're here in the port of St. Thomas. Again, it was something about coppers stills or something like that. So yeah, the place is called the Tap and Still. So if you're looking for a good place, go to that. So now we're just kind of looking around the shops. Tracy wants to get some souvenirs, and then after that we'll kind of head back to the ship and yeah, just kind of keep showing you around. All right, so I think we have wrapped up our shopping here, and there are so many stars right here. We haven't even, I think we just kind of scraped the tip of the iceberg with this, because there's tons of shopping here within the port. Tracy's already been in 3 different souvenir shops, and then this last one she went into is Del Sol, which I'll show you. It's one of our favorite shops, actually. They have really cool stuff in there. It's like these sunglasses that have like a lifetime warranty. If you lose them, scratch them, break them, you just keep the little tag, and then you can go online, and as long as you pay the shipping cost, you get another pair free. And it's usually like a $60 pair of sunglasses. But anyway, there's other items in there too that are similar. But anyway, we're kind of wrapped up here, and I get the key from Tracy. to be heading back towards the ship.
Thank you for
You need to be with Grandma and Grandpa. You match their car out.
All right, guys, we are back on this ship, and what a super great day that was.
It was a great day.
Tracy finally got shopped out and decided we should come back.
I did. Bought some cute stuff.
But hopefully she had her fun because it was her day. It was her birthday.
Yes, I had a great birthday. Thank you, babe. Had a great birthday.
Birthday.
Thank you. Thank God
So,
I don't
yeah.
have another one for another year.
So our day in St. Thomas is done, but we got more fun and shenanigans going on the ship. But that's for another video. Hopefully you guys you guys will tune in on those. But let us know what you think in the bottom. Any questions, comments, or anything like that. Also, guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It helps us out tremendously. It helps our channel grow.
Yes, it does.
And with that, guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.